are you looking to innovate your product? And that's great. But how do you know if your designs are as good as they can be? How fast do you find creative breakthroughs for your products, even before creating a manufacturing detailing for a prototype? Strength and functionality are the key aspects of a product for its real-world applications. Find answers to all your important design questions quickly with SolidWorks Simulation now. Let's take a look at how we can optimize the product development cycle time by performing virtual testing on our designs faster like never before. With SolidWorks Premium, designers can now improve design quality and achieve greater accuracy by performing linear static analysis and time-based motion analysis to determine the strength and functionality. SolidWorks Simulation is a finite element analysis tool that functions as an add-in in your current SolidWorks CAD software. Rather than spending your time exporting models from SolidWorks into some other software to analyze, you stay inside SolidWorks, which means faster design iterations and ultimately shorter design cycles. Design for strength and safety is one of the key aspects of a product during its real-world operating conditions. The simulation feature tree is self-intuitive for formulating FE models where designers can instantly incorporate the necessary input conditions with desired contacts based on the requirements. The process of discretization is feasible where the tool can offer comprehensive features like types of meshing and elements to compute stresses, displacement, factor of safety, and also the total life of the product as well. Easily evaluate how your product will perform and move throughout its operation cycle with motion analysis using SolidWorks Simulation. Great for sizing motors and designing mechanical systems for computing acceleration, velocity, and also motor power or torque as well. Tightly integrated with SolidWorks CAD, motion analysis using SolidWorks Simulation can be a regular part of your design process, reducing the need for costly prototypes, eliminating reworks or delays, saving time and development costs. Also, the same motion loads can now be transferred to determine the strength factors like stresses and factor of safety as well. Extending its capabilities from Simulation Standard, the Simulation Professional package adds additional tools for thermal analysis, frequency analysis, drop test, and provides automated design optimization. Our top package Simulation Premium provides all these tools as well as extra capabilities to analyze non-linear materials such as plastics, rubbers, and composites. You can also conduct dynamic analysis such as shock or impact response with SolidWorks Simulation. Well, what did we just pull off from this? With integrated design, intuitive and comprehensive set of simulation capabilities, SolidWorks Simulation can optimize the product development cycle time to make the process more effective. Companies like Hallmetro have seen the value with SolidWorks Simulation to save time and money, thus improving the quality of the product. Designers can now immediately approve their thoughts with instinctive definition work processes to identify the possible product failures even before manufacturing. In the event that you need to handle your fluid and heat transfer problems, SolidWorks Flow Simulation gives us comprehensive solutions, and for plastic infusion shaping, SolidWorks Plastics can direct us to distinguish the potential issues even before manufacturing. Get ready to explore, invent, and get inspired by SolidWorks Simulation. To get more information on the product, kindly contact Concept Shyam and start using mysolidworks.com to explore more information.